Alright guys, so we're working on this small hatchet and I need an axe eye drift. So we're going to take this, it's 3/4 inch round, and we're going to forge it into a small like teardrop shaped drift. So this will be my first time making anything like this, so follow along, see how I do it. If you have any suggestions at the end of the video, leave it in the comments. I'm always happy to get suggestions, especially if they're, constructive suggestions, not just off the wall stuff. I don't mind criticism whatsoever, so just follow along with me. I hope y'all enjoy. Let's get to forging this thing. We're just going to start by flattening it out. So far we're getting somewhat of the shape we want. I don't know if you can see that, but we're forging down into that point. So I'm going to come back up here, get a little more material, and keep going with it. So we got a little bit. Now what I need to do is taper this down this way. So that way when I forge this to the final dimension out this way, this is smaller and it can be driven in. Let's start kind of all right. Now we're just going to continue stretching this out. Alright guys, so it fits pretty well. I'm taking in the fire, just clean up, like I got a small lump there. Clean up those areas and try and make it as smooth as possible. Make sure it's straight. And I think I'll just leave it on this long handle. Give me a little bit more holding room to do it. So I'm going to get into the fire and do that, and we'll be pretty much finished. Alright guys, so here's the axe eye drift, and I know it's probably not perfect. This is my first one. Man, these glasses keep fogging up on me. This is my very first one, so You know, like I said at the beginning, if you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. That's part of what I like about YouTube. So it looks like till about this point is thick, and then it starts tapering back this way. So I'll probably only drift it into about this point and then stop. I don't want it, you know, getting stuck on there or anything like that. So I hope y'all enjoyed this one. I know it's just kind of a quick, as Chandler Dickerson says, need a tool, make a tool. So I'll see y'all on the next one.